In this Excel data analytics series, we will be focusing on a very common problem you face while using VLOOKUP, the NA error. In the previous session, I have explained about how the VLOOKUP works and how it helps us fetch data from a table. Link I have given in the description below. Many times, even when a formula looks correct, Excel shows NA error. What does this error mean? Why does it occur? And most importantly, how do we handle it properly in real-time reports? In this example, we have item code, item name, and stock. I have given the two different tasks in two different sheets, so we can use the VLOOKUP function. So this is the original data that is being stored in VLOOKUP data tab. So if I just click on task 1, I have the item code. I need to take the stock from the previous table. So you could see that the item code is properly arranged as like the original data column. So it is easy for VLOOKUP to fetch the data from one column, one table to another. So I'll be writing the VLOOKUP formula equal to VLOOKUP of, we have to use the VLOOKUP value. So for what value you are looking for the solution, for looking the answer. So I'll just click these values, comma. Then we have to take the table array. So we need to take the complete table because from this table we are looking the solution. So I have just clicked the complete table, comma, column index number. So which column we are looking on is the third column, which is the stock column. VLOOKUP always looks from the left to right, where the unique column should be in the first. So the third column is stock. So I'll just give 3, comma, I need exact match because for item code I001 I need the quantity for the same item code, so I use exact match and I click enter. So if I drag this over to all other rows, you could see the values it has extracted from the previous table. Suppose if I just take another example where the item code is bit shuffled. When you look the original data, it has this in this order, but in the second example you could see the item code is being shuffled. So now when I try to write the VLOOKUP formula, lookup value is item code and table array is my original data where it is stored in VLOOKUP data tab. So I just click on this, and the column index number is the third one, so I'll write 3. And I need the exact match, so I just click enter. So when I just try to drag it over, you could see there is an NA error because in the previous task we could see the item code is being properly arranged, so it is easy for VLOOKUP to extract the data from it. But now the item code has been shuffled, so the table array also shifts. The reason is the table array shifts, so lookup column is no longer right. So for this, what we need to do is we need to lock the cell for the original data. For this, we need to select these values and press function F4 so that the column and rows will get locked. So the reason it has failed because the table range moved while copying the formula, but using the dollar it locks the lookup table. So now if I just give enter and if I just drag it over, you could see all the values that it has extracted from the original data, and now there is no NA error. So these are the main reasons that the VLOOKUP failed to fetch the data from one table to another. So when we can use this dollar symbol, it is the referencing. So this is the absolute referencing where it can lock the row and also the column. So this is all about VLOOKUP function and the error.